Assalamu alaikum friends. Friends, if you are looking to invest for Turkish citizenship and if you are looking for an opportunity which will give you returns like a commercial investment, this project here, flat 24 by 24 Gayrimenkul Inshaat, is an ideal investment opportunity for you. As you all can see, the project is just close to delivery. It will be delivered next month. Almost 90% of the stocks inventory is sold out. You just have like last 18 to 20 apartment left, which I am sure will be sold out soon. Let me give you a few more details about this project. So this highway that you can see on the right side, which is a very busy highway, this is Basin Express Highway. Basin Express Highway is a very crucial connectivity point because it connects you from Bakirköy, from the E5 highway, right up till the Istanbul airport. So this is a very crucial junction. A lot of people pass from this highway every day. Apart from that, you've got a lot of big companies like Turkish Airlines, you've got LC Waikiki, De facto, you've got 5 major hospitals like Medipol in this vicinity, you've got 3 big universities around in this area, you've got Textile Ken, Geem Ken, the entire textile and garment industry have their head offices and their showrooms in this area. So it attracts a lot of renters from Istanbul airport, from the medical industry around. Amazing investment opportunity. Let's talk a bit about the project. The project is developed on a land size of 9,300 meters square. It has got 352 apartments and you'll have 30 commercial shops which will have medical, your groceries. You will get all your requirements under this building as well. You have a M9 metro line, the On-Besh Temmuz metro station. It's just 10 to 12 minutes walk from the station. It runs between Ataköy to Başakşehir on one side. So using this line, you are connected with the metro bus. You are connected with the Marmaray line. The connectivity is very good. And the best part is the kind of options this project has to offer you. So you've got options from 1+1, 2+1 in this apartment. If you are looking for citizenship, you can get 2 apartments of American kitchen, 2-bedroom all kitchen in a price range of 420 to 410,000 US dollars. So you've got Garland Hotel who will be managing your apartments if you want to use it on short-term rentals. They will assure that you get the best of the returns. So you've got amazing options. Let's go ahead and check this amazing investment opportunity at flat 24, which is ready to being delivered in the next month. So we are checking out a 1.5 bedroom apartment at flat 24. Come in, we'll check this amazing apartment. We are at Basin Express, a very centrally located area in Bağcılar. So you've got an American kitchen here. So you've got these 3 units by Teka, oven, cooktop and chimney. You've got closets here. So you've got space to keep your jackets and shoes. Then all the drawers here in the kitchen will be delivered as it is. The name of the project is Flat 24. The developer is 24 Gayrimenkul. So we've got the toilet and bathroom here. And look at this spacious living room, a very decent length at Basin Express, a very central location here in Istanbul on the European side. And the best part that I've liked is, we can check out this separator. We've got a separator here. Come in, and this is the bedroom area. This is the bed space. You've got a closet here, and this is the bedroom part. So this apartment here, this is a 70-meter square, 1.5 bedroom hall kitchen apartment at Basin Express. This apartment here in a very centrally located area, it will just cost you 170,000 US dollars. You have a lot of options here. You can add it with a 2+1 and even complete your citizenship. You can either buy 2 apartments of 2 bedrooms, American kitchen, or 1 big apartment of 2+1 and 1 apartment of 1+1, and within a range of $405,000 to $450,000, you've got amazing options to complete your citizenship. So you get amazing rental returns. Let me just talk about the concept of the project. So this is a hotel concept project. You've got a 5-star amenities, you've got reception, you've got all the amenities like swimming pool, indoor swimming pool, sauna, Turkish bath, and you've got Garland Hotel as well, who are providing service. So if you want to give it for short-term rental, 7% is minimum that they are guaranteeing you. You've got a lot of options, amazing rental return. So if you are looking for Turkish citizenship and amazing rental return, this is an ideal option for you. Jazakallah khair. If you have any doubt or queries about this project, do reach us on our WhatsApp.